Hi everyone, John here from Engine Carbon Cleaning Care. Today let's talk about cars, especially Skodas. We all want our cars running smoothly, right? Nobody likes that scary check engine light or strange noises. It's a pain, especially if you need your car for work or taking the kids to football. So today we'll talk about simple things you can do to keep your Skoda running great for years. First, the most basic thing, oil changes. Your engine has lots of moving parts. They need oil to move smoothly and not wear out. But oil gets old and dirty. That's why you need to change it. Most Skodas need an oil change every 5 to 7,500 miles, depending on how you drive and the type of oil. Regular oil changes are super important for your engine. It's like giving your car a nice cool drink of water. Next, tires. You might think, I just fill them with air sometimes. But the right tire pressure is really important. It keeps you safe, saves you money on gas, and makes your tires last longer. Low tire pressure makes your engine work harder and use more gas. Too much air isn't good either. It can make your ride bumpy and even cause a flat tire. Check your car's manual or the sticker on the driver's side door for the right tire pressure. Get a tire pressure gauge and check it once a month. Now brakes, super important for safety. Your brakes help you slow down and stop, so they need to be in great shape. Get them checked by a mechanic once a year. They'll check everything to make sure it's working right. If your brakes squeal, grind, or feel weird, don't wait, get them checked. Safety first. We need clean air to breathe, right? Your car's engine does too. The air filter keeps dirt and dust out of the engine, but it gets dirty over time, so your engine can't breathe well. This can make your car run poorly and even damage the engine. Changing the air filter is easy and cheap. Check your car's manual, but usually you change it every 12 to 15,000 miles. Just like we need water, your car needs different fluids. Coolant keeps the engine cool, brake fluid helps your brakes work, power steering fluid helps you steer, and windshield washer fluid keeps your windshield clean. Check these fluids regularly, maybe once a month or more often if it's really hot or cold. So, those are some easy ways to keep your Skoda running great. A little care now can save you big money later. Thanks for watching. If you like these tips, please like, subscribe, and click the bell for more car tips. Drive safe and have fun.